everybody, I am here with another new box for you. I'm Holly and this is my unboxing obsession, and it's definitely an obsession, so I decided to make a YouTube channel out of it and just run with it because, well, why not? Why fight an obsession? Might as well just go with it, right? So this box is called Paper Kitty. And this box is like one of my, really, it is a true obsession. I don't know why I have an obsession with stationery. I really do. If it's a notebook that I don't have, I have to have it. I know it's crazy. I know. I don't know why, but it is. But this is a box for unique office and stationery supplies with a new theme each month. This box starts at $11.67 a month. And let's see. It says, adding joy to the daily grind. Add a little whimsy to your daily routine can really make a difference. We provide high quality, truly unique office stationery to your front door. Surrounding yourself or someone else is, excuse me, is true paper bliss. Gift orders come with a gift message. Creative fun for your daily routine. Perfect gift for your college students, hardworking friends, and you. High quality, unique products each month. So and there is a code that you'll be able to use. So let's get into my box, and my box is paper overload, and this is how the box comes, and that is the front. It's so hard to see white on camera, really. It is very hard, and I do love it. Their logo, Paper Kitty. Ooh, come on now. So here we go. This is what you see when you open it. There's their little logo. And then it says, Welcome to the Paper Kitty family. We are truly excited to share our unique stationery finds with you. Each box is handpicked and packed to provide you the best unboxing experience. Congratulations again. Your daily routine just got a boost of pure joy. Tip, be sure to check inside all your goodies. Oh, so maybe they hid something in here. So let's see. It is definitely a treasure hunt in here. So I'm going to just open. Oh, there's stuff right there. Okay, so there's like not no rhyme or reason for this. There's like no paper telling me exactly what it is. So we're just going to open it up. And here's the first little thing that I picked up. It is a cute little bunny, little plastic bag with some little stickers in it. Oh, isn't that just so cute? And they're just little stickers. A little kitty cat. It's just a little kitty cat sticker. He's so cute. I'm putting him back in the bag so I don't lose him. Uh-oh, I can't find the right side. Come on, kitty cat, get back in the bag. All right, back in the bag with you, kitty. And then there is it looks like a bear. Yep, looks like a bear cooking dinner or some cooking. And then, is that a turtle? It looks like, I think it's a turtle. And then, oh my goodness. I think that's like a donkey or something. Yep, that's like a donkey. And it came in this little cute little sack. Little plastic sack. That's so cute. Very cute, very cute. And then we have a whole thing of them here. And then this is cat meow is always right. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, this is how it came. Boy, that wind is whipping outside. It's very windy here. Okay, how do you come out? I know it comes out some way. Or maybe it doesn't. Oh, yes, it does. Okay, so this must go in like a... Oh, so it's like a... separated, so it must be you can put like it in your wallet, maybe. That's cute. That's so cute. All right, I will find a use for that. Oh, this is a very cute little box. I love stuff like this. Oh, I love it. Love stuff from like Korea and China and stuff like that. I do love Oriental stuff. That is beautiful. I so want to visit Japan. Oh, there's stuff in here. Oh, oh, look at those. That's so cute. I wonder I can use these for bookmarks. Oh, I bet you that's what card lover. I wonder, that is so cute. Oh no, I think that's what they do. Like right here is a slit right there. So I wonder. Yep, that's what it is. Oh, it just slipped right through. It just slipped right through. But I was thinking that's how it went. But either way, I love that. That is so cute. I just love that envelope. I want to put it like in a picture frame. That is so pretty. I just love that. Oh, 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 look at. That's so cute. Let me get this off of here. There we go. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff here. Oh, this is just adorable. It's a postcard. It's a postcard. I love that flamingo. Oh, that's so cute. Koala bears. They are so cute. How do these... This subscription box is just so unique. I just love it. I'm in love with it already. It is so unique. Oh, here's the next pile of stuff. Stick marker. Montana stick marker. Stick marker. I don't have no idea. Isn't that cute? Let's see what it is. Let's open it and see exactly what we have here. Oh, these are for like your journal. See, like they go on like your page. They're page markers. See? They're like for your pages. They're to mark your page. Oh, those are so cute. Oh, those are so cute. I like those. Oh. I like them. I like them. I like them. I'm gonna send some to work with my husband so he can put them on his work papers. And then all the guys will just think that he's so fancy. He'll be like, no, you're not doing that. Convenient sticker. Nice meeting you. Write down your little things. Oh, it's like a post-it note. It's like a post-it note. This is a neat little box. I bet you if I worked in the office, I would be the talk of the office. I bet you I would. I bet you. I bet you. How much you want to bet? I would be. Listen to me like you're sitting right here like, I bet you I would be the talk of the office. Yep. They're like little post-it notes. Isn't that cute? Yeah, that's exactly what it is too. You rip it up. Well, not rip it off, but yep, it's sticky on the back. That is so cute. Aww. I'll send that to work with my husband too. Be like, here you go, buddy. Take this to work with you. He'd be like, are you crazy? You know what the guys are gonna think? Like, did your wife send you to work with that? I'm like, yes, I did. Because I think it's cute. Oh, my goodness. Macaroons. Sticky notes. That's so cute. Oh, they're from, I think, China or Japan. I wonder if some other ones. Yep. Touch the paper's heat. Must have books. Yep, they're from China. So are these ones. Oh no, they're not. They're from No, that's a like Chinese or something. I don't know. Okay. Then we have this little doodaddy. Oh, it's like a little notebook. And then there's the inside. I love this. This has got to be from Asian country too. That is so cute. And it's just like a little notebook. Yeah, isn't that cute? We don't have things like this. It says, "Don't splash me," on the back. It says, "Don't splash me." That's so cute. Oh, okay. I'm fine. A pen. Oh no, it got broke. Oh no. Oh, it's got a ruler on it. It's got a ruler. And then, what is that? Friendly. And then it says friendly on there. It's a pen. And what are you? I don't know what this is. Supposed to go on the pen? No. You're supposed to go on this here. I don't know where this goes. I think it was on the pen. There we go. I think it was on the pen. But there's a pen or a pencil. I'm not sure. Nope. It was a pen, I think. Yeah, a pen. Huh. Isn't that cute? It's got little birds on the pen. That is so cute. My grandchildren are so gonna steal these things from me. I'm just gonna have to hide everything. So that isn't. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's a, what is that? A swan, right? Is that a swan? Yeah, I think it is a swan. See? Oh my goodness. It's a pen that is so unique. It says Yongling. I think that's what it said. Yongling. Oh my goodness. And it's just the top. That is so cute. Made in China. Made in China. That is so cute. And it stands up too. It stands up. Well, not in my hand, but on the table it's standing up. So that is so cute. Oh, I found another writing utensil. And it is a pencil. Yeah, a pencil. Just a number 2 pencil. And then it says active. It says active on it. Very cute. This box is really cute. Uh-oh, what is this thing? Oh, I thought it was milk, banana milk. It's not milk. It's a pencil case? Are you kidding me? It's a pencil case. OMG. Are you serious? It is a pencil case. This is a pencil case. I can't believe this. It is seriously a pencil case. I got something stuck to me here. Get off me. They didn't have stuff like this when I was a kid. No, they did not. A milk carton pencil case. It is a pencil case. Isn't that just so cute? Wow. It's got a little cow on the side. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. And then it has a zipper and just zips right back up. That is so silly but so cute. Aw. I like that. That's very cute. Oh, how cute. And then we have 2 more things. Well, I can't read this, so it says Tree and Art, the waterproof name stickers. Waterproof. I've never heard of waterproof stickers. That's kind of like an oxymoron. But yeah, it says you can use it on pencils and notebooks and coffee mugs. And of course, it's all in Chinese, so I'm just going by the pictures. Because I don't read Chinese or Asian or whichever. But yes. Yeah. Cute. Cute, cute. And it looks like we are down to the last thing, my friends. Fairy World of Giraffe. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, this is what it is, and this is Senmu, and then it is made in China because I can't read it because it is definitely in Chinese. So, but it is a nice book, and just look at the artwork. Oh, this is a cute little box. I love it. How cute is this box, you guys? I didn't know really what to expect from this box, but this is a cute box. I thought, oh, they're gonna send me some notebooks or what have you, but this was a cute box. I rather like this box, and I am kind of weird when it comes to stationery. So I do like to collect my pens and pencils and notebooks, so I kind of like this box. And if you'd like to check this box out, if you're weird about your stationery and your pens and pencils too, and this box is for you, then go ahead and click on that link below and get yourself on over to Paper Kitty and get yourself one of these boxes, because I think it's awesome. I'd have loved to have one of these when I was a kid. Yes, I would have. All right, guys. Well, I will see you in my next video real soon. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to come and hang out with me, if you don't mind my crazy, weird self, I think you might like it. Then click that subscribe button and continue hanging out with me. And I will see you in my next video real soon. All right, guys. See you later. Bye now.